Let's take a look at this case. The driver was in a passageway surrounded by walls on all sides, trying to make a full U-turn with the car. But in the end, the car still got stuck in the passage. So let's roughly simulate what it looked like on site. And honestly, in a situation like this, if you approach the U-turn the right way, it's really not that hard. For example, in a situation like this, we should first hug the left side as much as possible and drive forward, so the car stays as far as possible from the inner wall. Then, make sure to pull the front of the car a bit farther forward before you start turning the wheel. That works. This way you can keep a sideways gap between the car and the wall on the right, and as we turn the wheel and move forward, we won't end up getting too close to the wall. So once the front of the car can't go any farther, straighten the steering wheel and back up. Don't crank it all the way to the left and then back up. This is also to keep a safe sideways distance from the wall on the right. So next, we just keep repeating the steps. Straighten the wheel and back up. Then turn right and pull forward. Once the front of the car can't get through, we straighten up and back up. Then turn right and drive forward, so we can always keep the inside clearance. Then, little by little, turn the front of the car.